After all, the odds of the cosmological constant being at its recorded level is incredibly unlikely. Could the various contributions to the dark energy density have cancelled out to a value compatible with life just by chance? Probably not. Here's what would have needed to have happened. Just imagine generating 3 random real numbers between -1 and 1, adding them up, and hoping that the magnitude of the sum is at most 0.0000 with 55 zeros 1. It sounds just about impossible. But what if we had more than one go at it? What if we could generate those numbers over and over and over again until we got lucky? It might take us something like 10 to the power 56 tries, but given enough time, the unlikely cancellation of 3 randomly generated numbers will turn into an inevitability. We can use the same logic to potentially explain why the dark energy density is so bizarrely small. Instead of just one universe, imagine there exists a vast multiverse, with each universe having a different, random value for the dark energy density. Only a tiny fraction of them would have a dark energy density small enough to be compatible with life, but that's exactly where we humans would expect to find ourselves. This explanation requires no coincidences, no fine-tuning, no intelligent design, just a lot of different universes. Multiverses are useful in that they remove the need for massive coincidences or intelligent design as a way of explaining our presence in the universe. However, are they actually real? Unfortunately, the answer is an unsatisfying "we don't know." While differing multiverses do help solve the cosmological constant problem, we actually have no evidence that they exist beyond the offering of an explanation for that coincidence. So, in a way, you are free to believe whichever you find most comforting, or perhaps continue to wait until a better way of answering the question can be found.